okay. Just been from shopping. I had 10 mask and coat off. It was just too warm. Oof. Water, there's pallet of water that you're not going to see. It's downstairs on step. Too fucking heavy. I don't give a fuck. Got this. £7. 4-ring extension. 2-metre extension lead. £7. I didn't think that was too bad. Hunger Games. The ballad of songbirds and snakes. Rockstar. 0, no sugar. Strawberry and lime. And different branded. Rockstar, strawberry and lime, 0 sugar. Pneumatic chocolate. New margarita pizza slice from Pucker. Chicken slices and 2 extra large battered chicken tikka samosas. 2 new chargers. Unfortunately, they got the battery on, so I'll take some faffing about. Because you can see that's stuck up under, and this is in, so but no, £5 each, so who am I to complain too much, you know what I mean? Ooh. The best for pork, smoked bacon, and cheddar roll. Pork, smoked bacon and cheddar rolls. Ooh. Ooh. Savers pork pies, 2 packs. Ooh. Another new one from Pucker. Cheese and bacon toasty slice. Cheese and bacon toasty. Not cheese and bacon. Cheese and bacon toasty slice. Alrighty then. I will bite and chew and try for you. Some more tasty Andrex wipes. Can't get enough of those. They go down really well. This is Flora Natural Buttery, and this is 450 gram, and this was £1.50. Above it and to the left, a little to the right a little bit, is Flora Natural Ingredients Buttery, 250 gram at £1.50. Morrison's, saw your shit. It's like, hello, 450 gram for £1.50, and there's a 250 gram for £1.50. What do you think I'm gonna fucking get? What do you think I'm gonna fucking get? Fucking idiots. Fucking management at Onslet. Fucking atrocious. Two cod fillets. Unfortunately, didn't have the 5 fish. Gaviscon. Savers soft cheese, 85p. Ooh. Some more things I can snack on. Felix Crispies. Two for £2. I got 4. One's already out for the kitties. Ooh. Pepsi Max Mango, a new limited edition. Cheddar cheese ploughmans with a tangy pickle. No limited edition from Morrison's. Ooh. So I think I'm going to call this song The Ballad of Songbirds and Shopping. Just because I'm funny. Ooh. Ooh. I'm not hungry at the moment, so I'm going to have this drink. Ooh. I might start Fallout 4 on Twitch. Ooh. I just downloaded it for free, so. Subscribe, beautiful people.